Mr. Cuddles. He loves to snuggle.
Oh, what's that? I'm doing like circles? Wow. He's probably asleep. Oh,
Wakey wakey doing a stretchy. Sweet little boy. Good that belly. Oh my. Oh my. Look at that little toe. Spread away from the others. That's so cute. Hi. How are you? Hmm? How are you?